Hello there. My name is Shawn Sedaghat. I'm an immigration attorney here in the Los Angeles area. Today I'm trying to answer questions regarding marriage to a U.S. citizen and how to obtain your residency in the United States based on that marriage. Number one thing that you have to do is to file a petition through your U.S. citizen spouse. This petition will be reviewed by the Immigration Service. They will review it to see if the marriage is bona fide, meaning that it is for the purposes of love rather than circumventing immigration laws. It's not a phony marriage, in other words. You need to include documentation to show that this marriage is bona fide. Your life has meshed together, basically financially, emotionally, as far as your friends are concerned. There is a list of documents that we normally offer to our clients and request that they provide this to us. Once this portion of the petition is done, your case will be forwarded for an interview at a local office wherever you're living, whatever city you're living in. At the interview, once again, the officer will try to see if this is a real and bona fide marriage or not. And if it is, and if you have filed your adjustment of status application at the same time, then you will be approved for your temporary green card if your marriage has been less than 2 years old. If the marriage is over 2 years, you get a permanent green card. If the marriage is less than 2 years at the time of the interview, you'll get a temporary green card, which is good for 2 years. And at the end of the 24-month period, you have a 3-month period where you can file for the removal of the conditional nature of your green card. That process in itself requires another video to explain, but it takes a couple of years to adjudicate those cases as well. It is very important that you get all your ducks in a row and you have all your documentation ready. Otherwise, you will receive something called requests for evidence oftentimes. Sometimes they don't send you that. They are not required to send it. They often do, but sometimes they don't. I've seen that happen. So it's very important that you go in with all your documentation ready to be filed. In any event, if there are any questions, please feel free to call me.